Discover TEOXANE, pioneering the science of beauty with 20 years of expertise in hyaluronic acid and millions of treatments performed worldwide. TEOXANE's Teosyal and RHA is a portfolio of designer dermal fillers that are closest to the natural hyaluronic acid in your skin. Our innovative technology preserves the dynamic structure of natural hyaluronic acid to retain unique resilient properties for a range of fillers designed for the face in motion. Structural integrity to withstand the stresses of facial movement without breaking for smooth results with no irregularities. Thanks to stretch to adapt faster to the everyday movements of the face for that natural-looking smile. And strength to bounce back from facial pressures for volume at rest and in motion. Our comprehensive range of dynamic dermal fillers is here to deliver tailored, natural-looking results that empower individuality, because being unique and in harmony with oneself are the beauty standards that really matter. RHA, naturalness reimagined. TEOXANE, inject more beauty into your life.